Hey, Jaden here from JB Hi-Fi, and today I'm talking about a dash cam that's not just about keeping an eye on the road, it's about adding an extra layer of protection and extra intelligence to your driving. Meet the Navman MiVue True 4K dash camera. This little beauty records in crystal clear 4K, so you won't miss a single pixel of what's happening around you, even when it's a bit dark out. It's like having your very own reliable witness built into your car. No blurry footage here. But it's not just about great video. This dash cam brings a suite of features designed to make your driving smarter. Think premium safety alerts for speed and red light cameras, school zones, and even known accident hotspots. Plus, it tags your location and speed with GPS, so you're always covered. The MiVue True 4K isn't just about clarity, it's about quality. With an 8 megapixel sensor, it delivers Ultra HD footage that's designed to capture the most important details no matter what. And with the Super MP4 recording, your footage is safely stored every 2 seconds, so it's there for when you need it. It's also a great choice for young drivers, perfect for having extra peace of mind in case they're caught up in an accident or road rage incident. You can drive easy knowing that it's all captured clearly if you ever need to look back on it. Need to share a clip or store it? No worries. The Easy Share feature lets you quickly download your footage to the MiVue Pro app via Wi-Fi. From there, you can easily email it, share it on social media, or even send it to your insurance company if things get a little interesting on the road. If you want the whole package, the Navman MiVue True 4K DC dash camera takes it a step further with a dual camera setup. You'll get the 4K front cam with the same incredible 8 megapixel clarity, plus a full 1080p rear camera that makes sure you're covered from both angles. It's got a 130-degree field of view, and the 6.5 meter cable ensures it's ready to catch any rear-end incidents, big or small. The dash cam comes with a 64GB Endurance microSD card. And just a heads up, it's compatible with UHS 3 V30 cards, so you're getting the right storage for high-intensity recording. So, if you're looking for a dash cam that offers peace of mind with amazing detail and smarter driving protection, the Navman MiVue True 4K dash camera has got you covered. Grab one today at your local JB or shop online at jbhifi.co.nz.